Hello students, very warm welcome back in this channel. Today's topic comparison operators. We can also say that this is relational operator. Okay, it's so in my previous lecture where I taught about arithmetic operators. So students, if you are new for this channel, then you may visit my playlist. Okay, now let us start and try to understand about comparison operators. Okay, so comparison operator used to compare two value and return boolean result like true or false. Okay, like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to, like this. Okay, so example, suppose if you assign a equal to 5 and b equal to 2, so in this case जब आप लगाते हो a equal to b, so this will provide result as the false. ये आपका provide करेगा false result. This provide true, this provide true, this provide false, this provide true, and this provide your false result like this. Okay, so now let us start and try to enjoy with code. So okay, assign a equal to 5 and b equal to 2. Okay, now simple, I try to print after using comparison operator. So a equal to b. In the first case, print not equal to b. Now the next, okay, try to copy this. Now copy this. Control V. Okay, so now a is greater than b, a is less than b, a is greater than and equal to b, or a is less than or equal to b. Now save this, now execute this. So you may notice that the result false, true, true, false, true, false. It means ये आपका क्या provide कर रहा है result as the boolean true or false. Simple after giving this comparison operator. Okay, like a equal to b. No, this is false. So this provide false. A is not equal to b. No, condition is true. So this provide true. A is greater than b. True, because a equal to 5 and b equal to 2. A is less than b, no, false. A is greater than and equal to b, a is less than and equal to b, so it's provide false. चलिए एक और example देखते हैं. Here I am going to comparison among three value, among three number. Okay, and which one is greater or greater कौन सा होगा. So in this case we can use comparison operators. Okay, so here I assume a equal to 5, b equal to 2, and c equal to 10. Okay, now in this case here I'm going to use the if and elif function. So if condition, simple, here I write a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, then print the string what b is greater. Okay, b is greater. Now elif b is greater than c. So in this case print c is greater. Okay, now the last condition is this should be print A is greater. Okay. So now save this. Now execute this. Yeah. C is greater. सिंपल. यहाँ हमने कंडीशन लगाया इफ ए इज ग्रेटर देन ए इज लेस देन बी. अगर कंडीशन हमारा ट्रू होगा देन दिस प्रिंट बॉडी पार्ट बी इज ग्रेटर. ओके. इफ बी इज ग्रेटर देन सी, अगर कंडीशन हमारा ट्रू होगा देन दिस प्रिंट सी इज ग्रेटर. एंड इज एट लास्ट इफ बोथ कंडीशन इज फॉल्स, in that case this print a is greater. Okay. So this print c is greater because here c assign 10. Now change this. If b is 21, now save. Okay. Now execute this. So in this case the answer is what, the result is what, b is greater. अब हमारा क्या है, b greater है. Now again I assign a equal to 51. Okay. Now save this. Now execute this. So in this case this provide a is greater. So thank you for watching this. This is all about your comparison operator, relational operator. Okay. It's so in my next video I would also try to make you understand about the next operator, but यहाँ पर मैं if और elif condition भी next video में समझाना चाहूंगी. Okay. So now thank you for watching this. If you realize the video is really helpful, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to update it with my content. Thank you for watching this.